In this video, we will learn how to fix PUBG Lite error code restrict area. So let's begin. So to fix this PUBG Lite error that server is busy and area restrict code, it is because that the servers allocated for your specific region or country is full and you need to change your IP address or your service address to some other country or some other city. So for that, what you need to do is you need to install a VPN on your PC. It is really simple. So I have already installed Soft Ether VPN. If you need to know how to install Soft Ether VPN, I would paste the link in the description. So you just go and click on that link and you would see a video where you would be known how to install a Soft Ether VPN client. So once you have installed a Soft Ether VPN client, what you can do is just go and open your Soft Ether VPN client. So here we have, just go and double click on VPN gate and public VPN relay servers, and here whatever server you select, preferably you need to select the Thailand server. So just go and search for the server with the region Thailand. So here we have Thailand region, and after that you need to make sure that what your date and time is specifically to that specific region. So in my case, if I am choosing the Thailand, I would change my date and time and region to Thailand. So for that, just go and open your settings and here type in for date and time. So here we have changed date and time. Click on this and wait for a while to open this thing. So here we are. Under the time zone, you need to select the Thailand time zone. I have already selected the Thailand time zone, that is Bangkok, Hanoi and Jakarta plus UTC plus 7. So I have already selected it, and you need to make sure that you turn off the set time automatically. So once you have done so, close it. Now connect to your VPN and just go and open your game. Hope the problem will be solved, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.